Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the watch and immediately attempt a soft reset so you can avoid data loss. Plug the charger, confirm battery is at least 20%, and remove the case. This prevents button obstruction. Hold the power or combined power/menu buttons for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen cycles. This clears temporary freezes. Once done, note the model and OS version so you know which steps suit your device. If it reboots normally, test the primary app to confirm the hang is cleared. Next, you run diagnostics and isolate software causes by entering safe or recovery mode. Doing this prevents third-party apps from loading so you can test stability. Once in, force stop or uninstall recent apps and clear caches for the watch companion and system services. That removes corrupt temporary files. If issues persist, unpair the watch, turn off Bluetooth on the phone, restart both devices, and then repair the watch. This resets communication and often resolves sync-induced hangs because it rebuilds a clean connection. If the watch still hangs, you perform a factory reset as a last resort. Backup settings through the companion app first so you can restore preferences. After reset, install only essential apps and apply any firmware updates immediately because manufacturers fix known stability bugs in updates. Monitor the device for 1 to 2 days to confirm reliability. If hangs recur, gather model, serial, and any error logs, then contact manufacturer support. This gives technicians the data they need to diagnose hardware faults or escalate repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.